Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in today's session, we will discuss lesson 4 from English. The name of the lesson is A Visit to Shillong. A Visit to Shillong. So, Shillong is a famous hill town and it is the capital city of Meghalaya. Now we will learn about the visit to Shillong. Who visited to Shillong and what are their experiences? Okay, children. Now look at the screen. Naina and Sona were going to Shillong to spend their holidays with grandma and grandpa. Shillong is a famous hill town. So here, Naina and Sona were going to Shillong with their grandma and grandpa to spend their holidays, as you children will visit to your grandparents' town or home to spend your holidays. So here, Naina and Sona both they went to Shillong with their grandparents to spend their holidays. So Shillong is a famous hill town and it is the capital city of Meghalaya state. Okay, children. Now, how much longer? Naina asked grandma for the third time as she sat beside her sister Sona in their grandparents' car. So here, Naina and Sona, both of them, they are sitting in the back seat. In the front seat, grandma and grandpa are sitting. Grandpa is driving the car and grandma is sitting beside grandpa. Naina and Sona, both of them were sitting in the back seat. So, Naina asked grandma, she is asking for the third time that how much longer, that is still how much time it will take to reach Shillong. So, the drive from Guwahati to Shillong takes 3 hours, my dear. If there was a railway station or an airport in Shillong, we would have reached home earlier, said grandma. So grandma said to Naina, when Naina asked that how much longer it will take, how much time it will take to reach Shillong, then grandma said to Naina that the drive from Guwahati, that is now they are in Guwahati, from Guwahati they are moving to Shillong. So the drive, the time from Guwahati to Shillong to travel, it takes 3 hours. And also she said that there was no railway station or airport. If railway station or airport was there in Shillong, definitely we would have reached home earlier. That is, it won't take 3 hours of time if there was a railway station and airport in Shillong. Grandma replied to Naina. Next, but I love this drive, said Sona. Naina, look at the greenery. There is a valley on your side. Grandpa, please drive slowly. There is so much to see. So, when Naina is asking that how much time it will take to reach Shillong, then so grandma replied that it takes 3 hour time. If railway station or airport was there in Shillong, we would have reached earlier. Then Sona is telling that no, but okay, but I love this drive, that is I love going in the car. And also she called her sister Naina, telling that look at the greenery. So on either side you can see here the greenery. Total greenery is there. That is lot of plants and trees are there on the way. So Sona is enjoying the nature and calling her sister to look at the greenery. And also she said that there is a valley on your side here. Valley is there towards your side. So and also she is telling to grandpa to drive slowly as there are a lot of things to see on the road, on either sides of the road. So she asked grandpa to drive slowly. Next, Be alert, you will soon see the Umayam Lake on your right. It is also called the Barapani Lake, said Grandpa. Be alert, you will soon see the Umayam Lake on your right. It is also called the Barapani Lake, said Grandpa. Now, as Sona asked to drive slowly to Grandpa so that they can enjoy the nature. They can see the nature, they can see the greenery from the car. Then Grandpa said that be alert. That is, now the next coming is Umayam Lake. It is onto their right. On the right side, Umayam Lake is there, that soon they are going to see it. Umayam Lake is also called as Barapani Lake, said Grandpa. Next. Wow, Naina and Sona shouted with joy. So when Grandpa said about the Umayam Lake, then they said that, wow, as it is very nice, wonderful. Naina and Sona, both of them, they shouted. Grandpa, why do we come here only in summer? Asked Naina. Now Naina got a doubt that why do we come only here in summer? So what is the reason why we will come here only in summer season? In summer vacations only will come to you. So what is the reason why do we come here only in summer? Naina asked Grandpa. Now what Grandpa said, we'll see. Grandpa laughed. We want you to be with us the whole year. However, it rains heavily during the monsoons. The winters are really cold. March and April are the best months to visit Shillong. So, by listening to Naina, Grandpa laughed and he said that actually we want you children to be with us for the whole year. Not only in summer, we want you to stay with us throughout the year. But it rains heavily during the monsoons. During monsoon season, there will be heavy rain in Shillong. As well as in winter season, it will be very cold. So rainy season is full of rains and winter season is too cold. That's why March and April are the best months to visit Shillong. That is the reason it's very best to spend time in Shillong in the month of March and April. So that is the reason we'll take you only in summer vacation, said Grandpa. Next. Will you take us to see the butterfly museum? Asked Sona. Mummy says that it has lots of colorful butterflies. Then Sona asked grandparents that will you take us to the butterfly museum, as Mummy said that in the butterfly museum there are lots of colorful butterflies. So we want to visit butterfly museum. So she is asking the grandparents that will they take them to the butterfly museum, as there are lots of colorful butterflies in the museum. Then sure, and then we can go for the picnic at Sweet Falls if you like, Grandma said. So Grandma said that sure, we'll take you to the butterfly museum as well as we can go for the picnic at Sweet Falls. So near the butterfly museum there is Sweet Falls. So we can visit butterfly museum as well as we can go for the picnic at Sweet Falls if they like, Grandma said. Next. Sweet Falls, Sona and Naina asked together. By listening to the grandma, both the sisters Naina and Sona, they asked at a time, Sweet Falls? Then, it is a well-known picnic spot with huge waterfalls, answered Grandma. We will pack a picnic basket with sandwiches, cakes and fruits. Then Grandma said that yes, Sweet Fall is a very well-known picnic spot with huge, that is lot of waterfalls will be there at Sweet Falls. So it is a well-known, very famous picnic spot. Then Grandma also said that While we go for the picnic, we'll pack all the food items in the picnic basket. We'll fill the picnic basket with sandwiches, cakes and fruits. Then, yeah, cried Naina. So, Naina said that, yeah, with lots of happiness, she cried out, yeah, she said. Next week, we can visit the Spread Eagle Falls and the Elephant Falls, said Grandpa. Next, Grandma said about the picnic spot, that is waterfalls. So Grandpa said that okay, this week we'll visit to Butterfly Museum as well as Sweet Falls. Next week we will visit Spread Eagle Falls as well as Elephant Falls, Grandpa said. Now they are planning for the picnics. Here we can also go to the botanical garden. It has beautiful flowers. We would love to see all these places, said Sona. Then Sona said to grandparents that okay, we will even also want to go to botanical garden. In botanical garden there will be many beautiful flowers, so we want to go to botanical garden and we would love to see all these places, all the places, Butterfly Museum, Sweet Falls, Eagle Falls, Elephant Falls, Botanical Gardens, all these are the wonderful places. So we love to see all these places, Sona said with lots of happiness. Then, I wish I lived here. I would love to play with the children and learn their language. We already know a little, don't we? Asked Naina with a twinkle in her eye. Then Naina said that yes, I wished I live here. So her wish is to live in Shillong. I would love to play with the children and learn their language. So her wish is to stay in Shillong, to live in Shillong. She loved to play with the children in Shillong so that she can play and as well as she can learn their language. And also Naina said that already I know a little language of Shillong, and she is asking, don't we? So Naina and Sona, so Naina is telling that already we sisters Sona and I know a little language. Naina said that her wish is to live in Shillong and also she loves to play with the children in Shillong and to learn their language. And also Naina said to grandparents that already they know a little language. That is, Naina and Sona know a little language of Shillong. She said with twinkle in her eyes. Her eyes are very bright. With a twinkling eye, she said that we already know a little, don't we? She asked Sona. Together Sona and Naina cried and Chinkasa a Shillong. That is, we love Shillong. Now, after this discussion, both Naina and Sona, at a time they cried out, they shouted out and Chinkasa a Shillong. Okay? And Chinkasa a Shillong, meaning we love Shillong. Okay, that is about the lesson, a visit to Shillong. Hope you all have understood the lesson, children. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Coming to today's year homework, read lesson 4, a visit to Shillong. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.